Well, the government is lying. Why? 2023 budget, GAA. Sinalaula ito ng Kongreso, 300 billion yung insertions, diversions, and amendments. Hindi kumibo si Presidente, hindi kumibo yung Cabinet. Imposibleng hindi alam to ng DBM. 2024. Palagay na hindi nila nalaman yung 2022. Okay. 2024, mas malaki, 500 billion yung insertions, amendments.
Was this in the BICAM?
BICAM and Congress.
Okay.
Sa small committee, may small committee sa House. So,
500 billion in 2024?
Okay. 2024. Hindi kumibo ang Presidente, hindi kumibo yung Cabinet. 2025, 473 billion yung insertion, diversions, amendments. Kumibo si Presidente, tinanggal niya lang yung 26 billion. Kasi sumobra na yung budget ng DPWH
sa Education Department. Which is against the law.
Which is against the law. Pero bukod dyan, pinabayaan ni Presidente na yung 60 billion sa PhilHealth ilagay sa flood control.
National Treasury.
107 billion from PDIC nilagay sa flood control. Yung more than 300 billion na equity ng Philippine government dun sa ating mga foreign flagship projects, tinanggalan ng pondo, nilagay sa public works. Ang pinakamasama nun na nangyari na yun, dahil dyan yung Metro Subway na supposed to be matatapos ng 2028, dahil hindi na pondohan, na-delay to 2032. 4 years. Yung PNR Elevated Rail na dapat matapos ng 2029, matatapos ng 2032. At dahil dyan, sabi mismo ng Department of Transportation, we will accrue an additional expense of 20%. So that's about 300 billion additional expenses. So bakit hindi kumibo dito si Presidente? So either alam niya ito, o ano?
What do you think?
Incompetence or complicity. Competence and it's a question of competence and complicity.
And what do you think? As apart from your saying that Malacanang is lying, is he incompetent or is he complicit?
But both are I think
tantamount to wrongdoing.
No, hindi lang wrongdoing. Both are impeachable offense.
I see.